Good morning, students. This is Amit Daya. I welcome you all in Master Amit Daya classes. First of all, I would like to ask that how are you? I hope that you all are well at your home during this lockdown. So, today we are going to then do an important question, and that question which build up your confidence. If you try to understand such type of question, or you are able to do such type of question, it means you are interested in maths and your confidence level build up the interest in the maths. So I'm doing today we are going to do such type of question that builds your confidence, and that confidence help you out to do more and more difficulty questions. So one of that question is, let's start for this. Prove that 3 times the sum of the squares of the side of a triangle is equal to the 4 times the sum of the squares of the medians of the triangles. दिखने में ही, सोचने में ही हार्ड लगता है क्वेश्चन, क्या किया जाए क्या नहीं किया जाए। अगर हम इसकी स्टेटमेंट को फिर से समझें तो प्रूव दैट द 3 टाइम्स द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ द साइड्स ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू द 4 टाइम्स द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ द मीडियंस ऑफ द ट्रायंगल्स. Now please focus on your reading. Try to understand the reading part. एक लाइन पढ़ें, एक लाइन को पढ़ने के बाद उसको समझने की कोशिश करें कि क्या कहा गया है. जब तक आप लाइन की क्वेश्चंस की स्टेटमेंट को कॉम्प्रीहेंड नहीं कर पाएंगे तब तक हम क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व नहीं कर पाते. सो what is given? A triangle ABC in which AD, BE and CF are the median, and median is, what did median? Median is a line segment that join the midpoint of the opposite side to the vertex. It means if AD, BE and CF are the medians, then we can say that BD and DC are equal, AE and EC are equal, AF and BF are equal. So what I have to prove, that is very important to write this. It is 3 times 3 into sum of square of the sides, side are A, B, B, C and AC on that square of sides. It means AB square plus BC square plus AC square, and they are 3 times, so bracket and into 3 is equal to 4 times the sum of square of the median, 4 into AD square plus BE square plus CF square. So how you are going to do this question? You have to think what we are having. We are having Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now, and the making the similarity rules by making the triangle similar. But in this question, such type of question squares are given, then we have to use the Pythagoras theorem, and you have to think that Pythagoras theorem is applicable on the right angle triangle. But there is no right angle triangle. It means you have to make the construction. And what construction we have to do? So let do. So we are drawing a perpendicular from A vertex to BC. We are drawing a perpendicular from vertex A to BC. So in triangle A, there are triangle AEC and AEB. These two triangles are right angle triangle. Now in triangle AEB, angle E is the 90 degree. If 90 degree is there, then we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem said that opposite hypotenuse AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square, AE square plus BE square, and AB square is equal to AE square plus BE. BE can be written as BD plus DE. BE can be written as BD plus DE. So AB square is equal to AE square and BD plus DE whole square, and A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So BD square plus DE square plus 2 times of BD into DE. So we can say that AB square is equal to AE square plus DE square. देखिए भाई, in triangle AED, it is also a right angle triangle at A, and AD is the hypotenuse, D is the base, and AE is the perpendicular. So AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. So in place of AE square plus DE square we can write AD square. So AE square plus DE square we can write AD square. So AD square plus 2 times of BD into DE plus BD square. Equation number 1. Now second triangle is AEC. So in second triangle AEC, AC is the hypotenuse and A is the perpendicular, EC is the base. AC square is equal to AE square plus EC square, that equals to EC can be written as DC minus DE. DC minus DE, we left EC. So AE square plus DC minus DE whole square, and there the identity we use is A minus B whole square, and A square plus B square minus 2AB. So AE square plus DC square plus DE square minus 2DC into DE. And similarly AE plus DE square, AE plus DE square is AD square. So AD square plus DC square minus 2DC into DE. We got these two equations. So you have to remember we are going to add these two equations. So adding equation 1 and equation 2. So by adding, left hand side got AB square plus AC square, that equals to AD square plus BD square plus 2BD into D plus AD square plus DC square minus 2DC into DE. AD plus AD, 2 times of AD is there, and BD, look here, 2 times of BD into DE and 2 times of DC into DE, in which BD and DC are equal. Why? Because D is the midpoint, then we can replace BD as a CD or CD as a BD. So this is plus and minus, both are cancelled out. So AD square plus BD can be written as half of the BC. Because D is the midpoint, then BD and CD are equal, and then both can be equal to half of the BC. So in place of BD we write BC by 2 whole square plus AD square plus BC by 2 whole square. AD plus AD is 2 times of AD square plus square open करेंगे B square BC square by 4 plus BC square by 4. And we add that BC square by 4 plus BC square by 4, BC square by 2, then 2AD square plus BC square by 2, that AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus BC square by 2. Here this is another very important theorem. कई बार यहाँ तक भी क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा सकता है, हमने इसको यूज़ भी करना है और इसको याद भी रखना है। यूज़ कैसे करेंगे? यूज़ करने का मेथड देखें कि अगर ए बी एंड ए सी और उनके कॉमन वर्टेक्स ए से अगर अपोजिट साइड के ऊपर मीडियन डाली जाती है, तो ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू होता है मेरे पास क्या, ए डी स्क्वायर जो मीडियन का स्क्वायर है प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर बी सी बाई 2 का होल स्क्वायर, बी सी स्क्वायर बाई 2, or we can say that BC square by 2. Remember it, very important, because we are going to use this theorem only. What I said, I am saying that AB square plus AC square is equal to होगा AD median square plus opposite side BC square by 2, opposite side square by 2. Now This is equation number 3. Now again, if B is the median, then तो B is the common point, B is the median, तो then क्या होगा AB square plus BC square is equal to BE square plus AC square by 2. AB square plus BC square is equal to 2BE plus AC square by 2. That is equation number 4. And next, if CF is the median, then we can say that AC square plus BC square is equal to CF 2 times of CF square plus AB square by 2. Now adding equation number 3, 4 and 5. So that figure is for the equation number 5. AC square plus BC square is equal to 2 times of CF square plus BC's AB squares upon 2. So we are adding equation number 3, 4 and 5. We got that if you are adding here, the left hand side is AB square plus AC square plus AB square plus BC square plus AC square plus BC square. AB and AB is 2 times, AC and AC is 2 times, BC and BC is 2 times. So we have taken 2 as a common, and we can write AB square plus BC square plus AC square, that equals to 2 times of AD square plus BE square plus CF square plus half we have taken the common, and AB square plus BC square plus AC square. If we transpose this point, this number to that side, then this is in plus here, and we transpose, then we got the minus. So this AB square plus BC square plus AC square is common, both the side we have taken the common, what left 2, and that side is minus 2 minus half is equal to 2 times of AD square plus BE square plus CF square, and 3 by 2. If you 2 minus half, then 3 by 2. AB square plus BC square plus AC square is equal to 2 times of AD square plus BE square plus CF square. Then AE into 3 times of AB square plus BC square plus AC square, 2 will transpose this side, then we go 2 to the 4, 4 into AD square plus BE square plus CF square. Hence we proved. That calculation you have to do 2 times, 3 times for understanding better. So do that question and again on that. If you are doing the same question again, that build your confidence, and that build your ways that you are going to solve the questions. So next question for here is prove that P and Q are the midpoint of the sides CA and CB. Remember that first you have to take a triangle. By reading this question of triangle ABC, you have to mark triangle ACB where right angle at C, then we make the right angle in C, and P and Q are the midpoint. This is P and Q are the midpoint of the sides AC or CA, then P is the midpoint of AC and Q is the midpoint of BC. If they are the midpoint, think over AP is equal to CP and PQ is equal to QC, or you can say that AP is equal to PC is equal to half of AC, or BQ is equal to QC is equal to half of BC. Then prove that the first part is this: 4AQ square is equal to 4AC square plus BC square, 4BP square is equal to 4BC square plus AC square, and 4AQ square plus BP square is equal to 5AB square. So you have to think an idea. AQ square is equal to 4AC square. So AQ is not there, so construction is there. So join the A and Q and B and P. So in triangle AQC, in triangle ACQ या AQC, we can say that it is a right angle at C. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is said that AQ hypotenuse square, AQ square is equal to AC square plus QC square, and QC can be written as BC by 2. So AQ square is equal to AC square plus BC by 2 whole square. Then AQ square is equal to AC square plus BC square by 4, and taking 4 as a LCM, then 4 AQ square plus 4 AC square plus BC square. I think you got it. That make the equation number 1 and the first part proved. For the second question, 4 you have to take the second triangle, that is PCB. PCB, in triangle PCB, BP square is equal to PC square plus BC square. BP square is equal to BC square plus CP square, and AP and PC can be written as AC by 2. Then in place of CP we can write AC by 2 square. BP square is equal to BC square plus AC square by 4, AC square by 4, and by transposing this, 4 BP square is equal to 4 BC square plus AC square, equation number 2. By adding equation number 1 and 2, 4 common both side, AQ square plus BP square is equal to 4. That in equation AC square plus BC square taken common out, and then AC square plus BC square, and then AC square plus BC square is AB square. So 4AB square plus 4AB square, a 4 plus 1 5AB square, hence we proved. So how to use this Pythagoras theorem is very important. Very good questions are there in the Pythagoras theorem. So let us move ahead. So thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be back with more good questions. Thank you. Have a good day.